So we just came back from the dump, and we picked this up. It looks pretty beat up and all, but it's pretty large looking. It's got a Honda motor on it, and the first thing I saw the 9,000. I said, oh, 9,000 PSI. I'm like, wow, it looks like shit, but that's damn powerful. And judging by the size of the engine and the size of the pump, I said, you know, it must be right. So anyway, when we got it home, I noticed this. 9,000 cleaning units. 3,000 PSI. All this for 3,000 PSI. Now, if somebody would please tell me, what the fuck is a cleaning unit? And how is it used to measure power washers? Because I have never seen that. Is that like an old style rating or something? From like back in the day? So, that is the biggest scam I've ever seen. It's made by Excell, which we all know is a leader in quality, top-notch power washers, as we've known from our own exploding Excell power washer.
Only sold at the most prestigious of wholesale clubs.
That's right. But anyway, you know, the engine might be worth it because it is a Honda engine. And I'm going to assume, since it's an Excell power washer, the pump is no good. Well, this thing looks like it's probably been sitting for a long time. Let's try. Dave, could you get me that wrench out here on the floor there? There's a wrench. Could you get it? There's a wrench?
I was going to put this
Oh.
in.
I don't know if
Just barely not enough.
Oh, it moves over pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Wait, what's scraping? Is that
Rust.
the screen there that's scraping, you think? Or?
I think so.
Maybe we should attach a rope to this and see if it
There is
pulls.
compression.
Oh yeah, I
Oh, it's
saw
got a
that, but
rope
it's
thing
fine.
right there.
Oh, well, maybe it never had it. Oh yeah, look at that. It's
That
got.
did.
Oh, it did. Yeah, finger tight bolts. Well, yeah, this thing's been
Seize throttle.
sitting for a while. Yeah, I would.
Reeks of bad gas.
It does, I'm sure. This thing, I would say, probably needs a carb rebuild. Oh, that's nice colored gas. What is that, orange? Orange color? Ew. Let me smell it. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Although it's not the worst smelling bad gas I've ever smelled.
No, it's better than Buick gas.
Interesting. So, Dave, if we do a whole bunch of work, we could have a really low-powered power washer. I wonder what.
Maybe all it has is bad gas.
I wonder how many horsepower this thing is.
9.
Is that awfully 9, really?
Yeah.
No, that's interesting. It's 3,000.
I saw it somewhere.
Yeah, 9 horsepower. It's interesting. It's only 3,000 PSI, but it's 9 horsepower. So what does that mean? I guess it's.
It's a Honda GX270.
Oh, all right. I didn't know the GX270. Got oil in it, right?
Yep. Doesn't look too bad.
Okay. Well, maybe they just threw it out because carburetor
Yeah,
issues,
yes.
or it looks like shit.
Looks
Or
like they took the recoil and broke the recoil and then
yeah,
probably rope started.
yeah, because here's the rope. You know, the pull.
You think that was
Cord.
modded to start it.
That might have been.
See if this damn thing's oil.
Ah, yes, the mysterious oil plug on the Excell pumps that.
Supposed to get oil, they don't tell you how much. Or
Didn't
what
your dad
type.
say he like tried to like call the company or something and
Yeah.
no one knew?
No one knew what the hell you put in here.
That's great.
That dips.
So the owner's manual on your dad's old Excell didn't say, right?
Nope. It's got enough oil in it.
Okay. Well, when we wash all these vehicles later, since it's such a nice day, maybe we'll attempt to fire this thing up. You know, we can't really do anything until we get water in that pump, so. Excell. So, what?
Well, we can at least see if it'll start in either. Only run for a second.
I guess, yeah. So the so 9 horsepower, but 3,000 psi. So what is the additional horsepower gain for you on a if it's only 3,000
No
psi?
idea.
More consistent or something, or
Hey, my crash one's a 2700 psi. The pump is a quarter the size of this, and it's a 6-horse Briggs
Yeah.
push mower engine.
Yeah. Maybe it just runs, you know, it doesn't have to, the motor wouldn't have to work as hard to run the pump.
Maybe
More efficient on fuel, perhaps.
some lies like that.
Yeah. All right, so we'll continue this later.